Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this cute set on my non-dominant hand. I'm scared because I've never done this before, so follow along while we get cute. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is just cleaning my natural nails with this nail polish remover just to get the dirt off. And I'm not a professional, so you know, I'm just doing what I learned off YouTube. And now I'm just gonna cut down all my nails. I don't care about having them long, so I just cut them as far as I can. I'm gonna do this with every single nail so that they are all the same length. Now I'm just going ahead and pushing back my cuticles. I don't know why, but I hate the feeling of having my cuticles pushed back. I'm weird, I know. Now I'm going ahead and removing the natural shine from the nail. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but hey, it's my nails. If I mess them up, I mess them up. That's on me. I was supposed to be using my drill, but I couldn't find an extension cord at this moment, so I just used this filing stick or whatever to do it. But I do use my drill later in the video. I forgot my brush had stiffened up, so I just placed it in some monomer so it could loosen up a bit. Now I have my fake nail tips out. I don't know what numbers go on each nail, so I have to redo this every time. I should write it down somewhere so I know which ones to use. I'm slow, I know. For some reason, this is so hard for me. I always put the nail tips on crooked, and then I have to take them off and redo them. It's just a mess. Now I'm cutting the nails down, and I'm trying to make sure they're a little above the left hand because when I file down it's going to get shorter. So that's what I'm doing here, cutting them a little above that. Now we're getting the girls shaped, we're getting them snatched, we're getting them all the way together. I love shaping. Shaping before the acrylic and after the acrylic is probably my favorite part. This is where I should have pulled out my drill, but I didn't. I have to file down where the natural nail and the nail tip meet, and this would have been so much easier with the drill, but I decided to make it difficult for myself. Now we're getting to why you came to the video, the acrylic. Time to get her done. I went ahead and washed my hands right before this part so my nails can be fresh and clean. Clean slate for the acrylic to lay and get slayed. I'm using Mia's Secret products I got off Amazon. First I applied the primer to my nails, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the dehydrator. I promise I did this wrong. It's supposed to be dehydrator then primer. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did that wrong. Whoops. I did so good on my left hand, and the right hand was just not working for me. I wasn't laying the acrylic right, and it looks a mess right here, but we get it together after filing, so don't worry about that. Hardest part is not flooding the cuticles. I do a pretty good job, but I'm always on edge. I'm like, I'm gonna flood the cuticle, oh no, but I make it work. When you tap your file on your acrylic, it should make this boink boink, not boink boink. It should make that hard tapping noise. That's how you know it's ready for filing. Now the girls are ready for their second sleigh, their second get together. My favorite part, filing, getting that shape together, getting the girls together. I love it. Right here, I noticed that my thumb had a gap in it, so I just went and added some more acrylic. Of course, I'm not in the camera because I was trying to concentrate. Sorry. I finally went and plugged up the drill because on the Sprite you have to seal your cuticle, and I can't do that with a file. I'd be hurting myself too much. So I went and got my handy dandy drill. Makes it very easy, convenient, fast. I'm trying to file down my nail and I am struggling because I'm doing it with my freaking left hand. So as you can see, the struggle is real. I went and traded out my drill bit for this narrower, how do you say that word? Narrower one, so I could get closer to my cuticle to seal it in, make it tight and right. I know I say every part is my favorite, but I love buffing too. You just get to see your finished result, your final project, and it looks so bomb after you buff. I just love it. I'm gonna put in a little buffing ASMR, so listen closely. Painting time. I'm using this red color from Sally Hansen. I don't know off the top of my head what the name is, but I will find it and put it in the description box. My nails are looking horrendous, I know, but it's okay, because we can fix it. We can always fix it. This is my first coat. I am gonna go off camera and do a second coat. So now I'm sealing in my nail polish with this gel top coat by the brand Mykaylallenn. I got this off Amazon too. And FYI, I didn't do this on the other hand because I don't know why. I wasn't thinking about it. But I'm not going nowhere anyways, so if I have one regular nail polish and then one gel hand, I don't really care. Now I'm just adding some bedazzle. From now on, I'm gonna add jewels to my nails because it makes me look classy, bougie, ratchet, upper echelon. Mind y'all, this is probably like my 5th time touching acrylic. This is my 2nd set on myself or on anybody. This is my 2nd time doing a set. I'm bomb, period. Kind of went overboard with the nail oil, as you can see, looking like a fried chicken wing. But anyways, I'm done. My nails turned out so cute. I love them. I'm a professional out here. What are you talking about? But yeah, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for stopping by and visiting my channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye guys.